Hey guys, Sam Leverson here with Edina Realty. Today I'm joined by Katie Kitchen with Edina Realty Mortgage. She's going to be our March vendor highlight. And today we wanted to talk about the Edina Realty Mortgage mobile app. It's a super awesome way to pretty much get pre-approved and make that pre-approval process a little more accessible. Going back to when we talked with Shane about it and just how busting that myth of it is actually not a long, grueling, insane process. Like, you can actually do it all from your phone.
You can.
So why don't you tell us a little bit about the mobile app?
Sure, thank you. So like Sam said, the mobile app with Edina Realty Mortgage is super user-friendly. It's kind of, the reason it's so popular is today everybody's on the go all the time. So everything is about convenience and how to just make the process as easy as it possibly can be. So some things that are great about our mobile app, we get just awesome feedback on it. Number one, you can apply on the app. So you truly do not have to go to a computer. You can apply right there. You'll have all of your contact information that you need for reaching your loan officer. We actually, with the mobile app, we pair it with your realtor, so all of their information is there as well.
Find me too, but I mean, I'm probably pestering you already.
So you can, just one touch to all of that information, whether you're trying to call, email, fax, text, whatever, you've got it all at the touch of a finger. And the other thing that's great about it, there's several things, but the ability to scan your document. So if we need a pay stub or a W-2, you literally take a picture of it with your phone, and then it uploads securely to our loan origination system. So no running around or emailing documents. There's
for those of us younger people who probably might not have a scanner, it comes in really handy.
Okay, Sam, rub it in. So I like that feature the best, the scanning, but there's also everything you would need to know about mortgage you can find on this app. So you can look up if there's some term that's being used and you don't know what that means, you can look that up. It will give you information throughout the process, like how the market is doing, anything that would be pertinent to the process. It's going to send you little updates. In addition to that, specific to your transaction, it will send you and your realtor updates on where we're at in the process. So for example, your loan has been submitted to underwriting. You will know that, Sam will know that. Your appraisal is in and approved. You will know that, Sam will know that. So it's just a great tool. Let's see.
The mortgage calculator.
Yes.
That is a huge one for me because I know a lot of consumers, instead of how much money can you give me, it's I have this budget and I'm sticking with it. I don't really want to deviate from that. So that one's a huge plus for me when we're out in the field.
Absolutely. That's a good point. The thing that we do here that our customers like the most about it, you can kind of calculate your own payment on your own, but this makes sure you have the mortgage insurance right. It prompts you to get the taxes and insurance right so that we know that you are actually looking at an accurate payment on that home.
Yeah. I think the one time when I was out using it with some clients, it ended up only being like $30 or $40 off from what their actual payment ended up being. So I was like, oh, this is amazing because I feel so bad like constantly going to you guys and being like, hey, so we want to see this house, but they want to know.
We love that. We love to hear from you on the weekends.
But so now it kind of, I mean, if I do want something like super set in stone, like, hey, they're really considering this one, then I might still reach out to you guys. But that's still like having that that I can do and I kind of understand it. I'm like, this is what your payment could be looking like. So
and actually that's a good point that you just made. Another feature of the mobile app is that as a lender, we can actually do a pre-approval letter from the mobile app. So that is just from a timing perspective. Occasionally, you're in the grocery store on a Sunday or you're at a Vikings game or whatever, and your client needs an approval letter. We're able to do it in 5 minutes from the mobile app if we have you set up that way.
Cool.
So that's just another thing that makes the whole process really convenient because of this tool.
Yeah, cool. Well, thank you so much. Check back next week and we will be talking about What are we talking about?
We're going to talk about our second opinion program.
Okay, super awesome program, so make sure you come back and check it out. Have a great day, guys.
Thank you.